Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. We're gonna play with some more dies again. And I already hauled this on my channel, so it's in my playlist of crafty hauls. So this one is a KS Craft die again. I got it through Amazon, and it has 2 different style mugs and also 3 different size of 3 sizes for each style. Okay, so these are all the accessories. This is the straw, this is the dome caps. You got 3 sizes. You got the lids here, these flat lids, the to-go lids right here. You've got some hearts, you've got some whips, and you've got the spoons. I'm so excited to play with the spoons because they got the little insert hearts there. And then you've got the little steam here. And there's the sleeve. This is the 3 sizes of sleeves you get. And then these are also the layering pieces for the sleeves if you want. So let's get busy. This has multiple pieces, you guys. So what I'll do is when I get off camera, I'll separate all my pieces. And from there, I'll come back and put you on time lapse and we can put these babies together. Yes. All right, I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're gonna make a shaker out of this to-go cup. I just covered the back with the paper so that it could disguise my cereal box. That's what I'm using for my base. I used the 2nd largest size for my travel cup. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some page protectors to make this part a shaker. This will be the front of my card, my mini memdex card. I'm gonna make a shaker, and then I'll come back and we will decorate with the accessories like the lid, the sleeve, and we also have some, where is it at? We got spoons, and we also have some straws. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I got it stitched up. I've got a little bit of shaker sequence in there that I was hoping to get in. That's what it looks like. And I got to just trim this up, make it nice and tidy. Cut off right up against the cup. And then I'm going to glue it onto our base. Get some of these strings cleaned up. All right, let's clean this mess up. and then I will be back. Okay guys, so I figured out what piece goes with what. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this to my base and hopefully get this to stay together. You can see it won't just stay. I'm gonna have to pinch these. Get this tight to the edge. I don't want it to come apart. I think once it's glued down, the shaker bits are not really going to want to shake because there's no real gap. Yep. So I'm going to get that all down real good anyway. Don't want it to separate. Get all that glue off of there. Nice, tidy, itty bitty shaker memdex coffee cup. All the titles all together. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, because this is the lid for this cup. It's supposed to be for this cup. But what I'm going to do, you see there's an impression on there. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that center part out. I'm going to use my craft knife. Yeah, it's not the neatest, but it's okay. It's going to work. And we're going to get this all cut out. I cut out a pink whip for the cup. So this one's going to go on top like that. Probably the back like that. And once I get that cut out, it'll go over the front. And you'll have a little bit of a dimension going on. So let's just cut this out. Just take your time with this. You don't want to go too fast. So let me use a ruler also. Just want to make sure that it's a straight line and you don't cut too far off. So just go in the inside of that line. Take your time. Cut the paper, not the ruler, Eileen. And then just do one more for good measure. There we go. And then the next part, because it's rounded, I'm going to just take my time, really go slow with this and try my hardest to follow the line. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm not the best with following the line. Hopefully I can get that. There we go. Oh, there we go. Nice. So it cut. Oh, look at that. So let me just show you visual. That goes in the back. And I'm going to cut this one more time and put it behind here so it covers that up. But that's what it's gonna look like. I'm hoping. Let's just go ahead and glue this on. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but I might have to turn it down a little bit. All right, so I put the glue on the cup and do your best to hold it there. Okay. I'm not sure if this is the lid that goes with this cup, but that's how we're going to use it. There's no rules, I guess, you know, it's just up to you what you want to do. Not much of a shaker bit, but it's okay. The idea of a shaker is there. Okay. All right, and then we're going to add this to the top. I need to cut out my straw. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna not put the straw in because I should have done that before I stitched it up. I should have glued this to the background and then stitched over it and then seal it up. But I don't like the way it looks, so we're gonna do it this way. Put our sleeve on here. So I used the medium and the small sleeve so that I could cut out a box, a window, and that's what gives me this window. And I'm just going to attach this on there, and then I'll glue this to the top. So I'm going to use hot glue for this because it's not going to stick to the plastic with this. So that's how I'm going to do it. There we go. Perfect. That looks so cute. Look at that. And you'll see the back a little bit, but that's okay. And now I'm going to get this lid on here. Isn't that cute? There we go. Maybe I'll cut the straw. I'll cut part of the straw off. Yeah. All right, I'm going to do that. Put the straw in here. Oh, I'm always out of camera, out of frame. Sorry, guys. So I'm using the hot glue again, and I'm going to make sure I can get it in there. Yeah, see, I missed. Got part of the straw in there, so I'll just cut that right off, because everything else is glued down. We're gonna put that there. That's cute. Love it. So get the hot glue again. Not really a fan of the hot glue with this stuff, but gotta make it work. And get this on. Like that. There's your cute straw. Oh, it's so tiny. Okay, so I have to cut another one for the back here and just go ahead with the foil. That way it looks like that. I think I like that better. So let me cut this 2 more times actually. One back and one front. If you understand what I'm saying, I don't know, but I'm going to double so I can cover up the back also. So hopefully that will go. Oh, great, it doesn't fit that way. Really? Wasted that one. Let's cut another piece. Same way. That way you're not seeing the brown cardstock, you know. Cut that off. All right, let me cut this. You guys, I cut the whip and not the cover. Like a genius. I'm just messing up so much. I'll be back. All right, guys. Again, I could not get myself to record while I was working. It's just a lot of, because it's new, the dye is new to me, so it just takes me a while to get used to how things should be used on, you know, used with the die set. So I finally got it situated. I got my 2 cups made. These are miniature memdex cards. It's the whole new rage right now. I've got the first one here. Super cute. Let me move this out of the way. Well, I hope you can see. So this one has the straw. I put the whip in there. I will decorate them later. I'll probably put some glossy accents on the spoon and the little whip and steam, just because I want it to sparkle a little bit. So the first one, it barely shakes, and I used my dies to cut out the center so we can have a window. I used my previous memdex from Tmika, who is Scrap the World, and she provided a cut file, which is this one right here, and the other one with the heart. But I just used it for a guide to figure out where I should put my hole, so we could put it into our memdex holder. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is the first one. I did not put any acetate up here. I just put it for the shaker. It's not even acetate, it's the sheet protector, page protector. I just used one layer of it, stitched it onto my base paper, and then I glued that shaker onto the base, which is the cereal box, and covered the back up. I cut a second one for the dome and covered up the insides. That way you don't see any brown cardstock. And then it's super tiny, guys. So there's not much room to put any info, but I will put like maybe a sticker. I'll have to make a sticker small enough and still be able to read it. But it does work. And look at this, it stands up, you guys. It's so cute. This is the second die, and this is the the to-go cups. And I put the spoon on top. I didn't want to put it inside like the straw. So I'll put the glossy accents on there. This one is the sleeve, and it comes cut like this. And to make a window, I just pulled up some so that I could cut right in the center and then curl it back. That's what I did here. I don't know, it's just, I don't know how I feel about it, but it's different. And then you could see more of the sequin mix on the inside. Now, because they're so tiny, the cups are so tiny, you're not going to get much of a shaker situation here. So it's barely even moving. So either way, I think it's still very cute. And then it fits right in there, just like the other one. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the second one. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my God. So yeah, if you guys make these, go for it. Have fun. You know, you can embellish as much or as little as you want. And I'm just going to add some stickers onto these and then call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a minute to figure out these dies, but to turn them into mini memdex cards, how cute are these? Oh my gosh, so cute. So thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.